The story of human evolution. Look at the picture of baby chimpanzee children. Don't you think humans and chimpanzees look similar? Yes, because humans and chimpanzees have some similarity in looks because both have evolved from a common ancestor. So, in today's class, let us understand what is human evolution. So, basically, human evolution is nothing but the changes that underwent in the origin of humans. So, firstly, evolution is a process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from earliest form to the present form, meaning that they have undergone various changes from the earliest forms to the present form. Modern human beings are believed that all these human beings originated from like ape-like structures or ancestors. It is also believed that these humans have evolved from apes. That means they are very similar to apes. It is also that truth that apes and humans share a common ancestors. Not even the archaeologists but also the scientists believe that this common ancestors lived in Africa about 6 million years ago. And in this stretch of time, we have undergone a gradual process, children, from one stage to another. That means there has been a lot of stages in difference from one stage to another. You can see it in the picture. And this gradual progression of the modern human being is called human evolution, meaning that all these gradual changes, what happened since 6 million years ago, and the things what we see from all these 4 pictures gives us a brief information about how there was a transformation about these human life. Okay, so there has been so many different forms where we can see. So for that we need to understand the stages of human evolution. So you can see in the picture here, what you can see is named as Australopithecus. Alright, and this is the first stage of human evolution. So what happened in this Australopithecus is these humans had both human and ape-like features and almost like a modern humans, but they walked into 2 legs. That is like bipedal, like which is like normal, like how do we walk. So they walked in 2 legs, but like apes, they had longer arms and small brains. So here in the next picture, what you see is Homo erectus. The Homo erectus is the upright man. So these Homo erectus were humans of medium stature. That means they had a medium height. With evolution, they could stand erect and walk over long distances unlike their predecessors. Their brain was larger than that of Australopithecus. Alright, so this is about the humans had medium height and also they could stand straight. Erect, meaning of erect is they could stand straight, and they also could walk long distances. Okay, like the previous one, even the Australopithecus also could walk for long distances. In the same way, these people also could walk for long distances. And the next one is Homo neanderthalis or Neanderthals. So in the picture you can see, even though some of the features of Neanderthals appear to be similar of modern humans. Okay, these were also very similar to the modern humans. They were shorter and stocker. Alright, that means they were very short and stout. They had large and long faces, large wide noses and reduced chins. That was like they had long faces, wide noses, that is like which is almost flat, and they had reduced chins, that's very small chins. Their skulls were thicker and less rounded at the top and the modern human. Their brain size was almost the same as that of modern humans. Alright, so in this picture you can see it is like so similar to the modern humans. So and here also you can see there is a little bit of formalities and there is so much of changes from the first stage to the third stage. And the last one is Homo sapiens. These are considered the most advanced form of humans to which all modern human beings belong. Their features included smaller teeth, a more defined chin, a round skull and an increase in brain. Alright, in this you can also see the feature of the human beings are like almost like the modern one, and like they have a very perfect feature, just like what is very similar to us. And this was the last stage of evolution.